switch it up like that.
Switch it up, speaker box blast, 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 blast.
We can switch it up like that.
Switch it up, speaker box blast, go, 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 go.
So you guys, this is what the engine mounting looks like. The last one finally. The reason why I've made it so this whole section can bolt out is because this engine mount in the front can actually bolt out as well. There's the engine connected there on top, and then there's the last bottom one. I didn't want to struggle with a piece of solid tube that connects on the back there when I take out the engine if I have to. So I just made this whole section just to bolt out, so it's quite easy if I have to take it out again. But wait, there's more. You guys, before we end this video, just a few updates on the videos that I'll be uploading. I'll be making a video on manufacturing a new sump for this engine. This is a flange that I drawed on a CAD system, or a CAD program. I had it send a file sent to one of my friends with a water jet machine, so he can cut me a new flange out of 6mm aluminium. This engine's, the bike engine's got a problem with running, bearing issue. I don't know why they like running big and bearings. I think it's a heat related problem. The reason why I'm saying this is this sump has two exhaust pipes running on each side of this of the oil pickup. So I'll be making an 80mm square sump for this thing. I'll make baffle plates and a new pickup for this as well. So I'll make a video of this so you guys can see how it's done. And then the next thing, I'll make a video on changing the crank pickup. The management system that I'm running actually needs a 36-1 tooth gear. This one I'll only take the one off that I don't need. So I'll make a video on machining this and welding this on here, make sure that it runs through, moving the pickup and all that stuff. So that's another video. Some good news, I got my casing back. I had it re-sleeved. One of my friends is the owner of LMY Brink Engineering. He re-sleeved this casing for me, did a very nice job. The reason why I say this bike has a oil heat problem is this thing's got piston squirts that bolts on here that actually squirts oil on the bottom of the piston to help with the cooling. So this engine and the other one that I bought, I actually bought two engines just to build one. Both had severe score marks inside the sleeves. So I'll be upping the quantity of oil that it takes to about, I guess that one will take maybe 2 liters more than the stock engines. That will help. The engine that the radiator that I'm running is about 3 times the size of the stock bike radiator, and the exhaust system, as you guys know, I still have to manufacture the exhaust manifold. The exhaust system actually runs to the front through the inner tray and then into the fender. The reason why that is to help to keep the engine bay as cool as possible, to keep the heat away from the sump, and yes, to keep the exhaust system as short as I can. So you guys, if you want to see more content like this, maybe the sump, the gas, or the assembly of the engine, and checking for the ring clearances and that stuff, please hit the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up if you like these videos. If you don't want to miss any of the upcoming videos, hit the bell button so you can get notifications of the videos when it's uploaded. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Have a nice one.